Can bankruptcy stop a wage garnishment before it starts? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and the answer to that question is yes, bankruptcy can stop a wage garnishment before it starts. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean that once you have a debt that you can't pay, that creditor is eventually going to file a lawsuit against you. He has to do that. He has to reduce his debt to judgment. Judgment means there's been a hearing which you had to have an opportunity to come to. There's a hearing where a judge gives that creditor legal permission to collect his debt by different means, rather than just asking you for the money or demanding that you pay the money. Now he can use the legal system to collect his money. He can send that judgment to your employer, and your employer here in my district of Tennessee is required to take 25% of your net pay and send it to this creditor. What does net pay mean? Well, that is pay that results after your employer deducts all the legal deductions, the deductions that he is required by law to take out, like taxes and things like that. The creditor gets 25% of what's left here in Tennessee. So you could file a bankruptcy anywhere along that chain of happening. You could file it before the creditor files suit against you. You could file it after the creditor files suit, but before the suit is heard. That's the ideal time to do it. Or you could file it after the suit is heard, but before the creditor has been able to send the garnishment to your employer. All those things would stop it before your employer got the notice, because once he gets the notice, unless he receives a stop or a stay before he takes the money, he's required by law to take out the money. If he doesn't, he's liable for it himself. So you can stop all that. There's no reason whatsoever, folks, for your employer to see that wage garnishment and to start taking it out of your pay. You can stop that through bankruptcy anytime. Hello, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you have a wage garnishment, there is no reason for you to lose 25% of your pay, folks. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.